Hello, Dave Martelli here, and this is another Martelli Minute. Today we are going to talk about getting the absolute perfect seams. How do we get perfect seams? Everybody has tried everything under the sun, including those little wooden seam presses, okay? So the first things first, this is 3/4 inch HDPE. So what does that tell you? Number one, we know that HDPE is virgin grade plastic, so it's solid, but it's heavy, but not heavy enough where it's cumbersome, right? We put a little rubber comfort knob on there. Here's the secret, folks. Here's the secret. This brown material, it's a trade patented secret. It's a moisture barrier and it's heat resistant, which means it rejects the heat. So when you press those seams open, the second you put the seam press on there, it takes the heat and it traps the heat between the seam press and your surface. So if you're trapping the heat, that means you are retaining 100% of the heat. Now, with other similar products out there, like the wooden one, as soon as you press it on there, the heat escapes through the bottom or dissipates through the wood. So having this brown no slip material, there's not a better product in the world to retain all the heat to lay those seams open perfectly. And what does that mean? That means easier sewing for us. So one of the best products, if not the best product on the market for seams, is the Martelli Seam Press. Go now to martellinotions.com to get your seam press.